Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Ksi-Wombat Willow Pro mechanical keyboard. Known for its retro-futuristic design and promising functionality, this keyboard has generated quite a buzz. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the Willow Pro doesn't disappoint in the looks department. Its sleek, dark gray aluminum top plate gives it a sturdy feel while adding a touch of elegance to your workspace. The keycaps, made from PBT material, not only look great but also promise durability against wear and tear. I particularly like the retro-inspired keycap icons, which add personality. There's even a cute marsupial mascot on the escape key. However, it's not all perfect. Some units have shown issues like uneven keycap printing, which is a letdown considering the premium feel. Typing on the Willow Pro is where it shines brightest. Equipped with low-profile Gateron red linear switches, it offers a smooth typing experience with minimal resistance. The low-profile design makes it comfortable for long typing sessions. And the keys are responsive whether you're typing up documents or engaging in some casual gaming. During my tests, I achieved some of my highest typing speeds and accuracy rates, thanks to the ergonomic keycaps and well-spaced layout. It's not the ideal gaming keyboard, but for everyday productivity tasks, it performs admirably. Now, let's talk about functionality. The Willow Pro supports both macOS and Windows seamlessly, thanks to its cross-compatible keys and dedicated OS switch. This makes it versatile for users who switch between different operating systems frequently. It also boasts RGB backlighting with 14 preset modes, including customizable options. The ability to adjust brightness and colors directly on the keyboard without needing additional software is convenient. Although the companion software, WB Pouch, could use some visual improvement. Speaking of software, WB Pouch allows for macro customization and key remapping, enhancing productivity with shortcuts tailored to your needs. It supports popular applications like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, which is a nice touch for office use. Now, onto one of the downsides: battery life. The Willow Pro packs a small 1000 mAh battery, which is less than ideal for a wireless keyboard. This limits its portability, making it more suitable for desk-bound setups rather than frequent travelers or remote workers. On the connectivity front, it offers 2.4G wireless, Bluetooth, and wired options, providing flexibility in how you connect to your devices. This versatility is appreciated, but the battery capacity remains a sticking point. Unfortunately, the Willow Pro isn't without its flaws. Aside from the battery, quality control has been a concern with reports of construction issues like sound anomalies and uneven keycap printing. Considering its premium price point, these issues can be hard to overlook. When comparing it to similarly priced competitors that offer better build quality, the limited choice of switches, only Gateron red linear switches, are available. Might also be a drawback for users who prefer different switch types for their typing or gaming needs. Wrapping up, the Ksi-Wombat Willow Pro is a keyboard that excels in aesthetics and typing performance. With solid functionality for both macOS and Windows users. Its retro design and compact yet functional layout make it a standout option for those seeking style and productivity. However, it's held back by issues like poor battery life, construction inconsistencies, and a limited switch selection. At its current price point, it faces tough competition from other keyboards that offer better overall value. If you prioritize design and typing experience and can overlook its shortcomings, the Willow Pro might be worth considering. But if battery life and build quality are deal breakers for you, there are other options out there that might better suit your needs. That wraps up our review of the Ksi-Wombat Willow Pro. Let me know in the comments what you think about this keyboard and if you'd consider it for your setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.